What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Microsoft Excel for free on your PC. Having Excel installed is super useful for managing spreadsheets, data and calculations. To get started, open up a web browser, search for Microsoft 365 and press enter. When searching for Excel, you will get access to all of the other Microsoft Office apps as well. Click on the official link to office.com. Once on the Microsoft Office website, click on Sign In at the top right. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, click on Create One and follow the steps to set up a new account. After signing in, you'll be redirected to your Office dashboard, where you can create an Excel workbook directly in the browser. However, to download and install Excel, you will need a Microsoft 365 subscription. To get started, go to the top right corner and click on Buy Microsoft 365. Microsoft offers both monthly and yearly plans, so choose the one that suits you best. Then, click Buy Now to complete the subscription process. Once subscribed, return to the Office.com dashboard and go back to the top right and click on Install Apps. This will give you access to all Microsoft 365 applications, including Excel. After clicking Install, a setup file will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, run the installer and Microsoft 365 will start downloading. Once the installation is complete, go to your Start menu, search for Excel, and click on it to open the application. The first time you launch Excel, you may be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure to use the same account that you subscribe to Microsoft 365 with, and you'll be ready to start using Excel. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.